Good morning, children. This is our third video of chapter 9, Cooking Food. So, children, I hope you enjoyed this chapter very well. One chapter, in this chapter, one topic is left, that is preparation of some food items. Preparation of some food items, that means we have seen that food items are cooked in variety of ways. Some are fried, some are boiled, some are baked and some are roasted. अभी तक आपको मैंने जैसा बताया कि फूड आइटम्स जो प्रिपेयर होते हैं, जो कुक्ड होते हैं, वो बॉइलिंग के थ्रू, रोस्टिंग के थ्रू, या कुछ फूड आइटम्स जो फ्राई किए जाते हैं, swallow frying, these are the different methods. So, children, I will tell you about some food items to prepare without cooking. Without cooking, जिसमें कुक नहीं करना है. You can make yourself easily. आप खुद से भी इसको प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, आप बना सकते हो. Let's see which food items is this that is prepared by without cooking. First one is making moong seed sprouts. So, first step is soak whole moong seeds in water overnight. Moong seed, you have to take moong seed and soak it in water overnight. Wrap the soaked moong seeds in a wet cloth in the morning. After to that, you have to take out the moong seeds from water and wrap it in cloth, cotton cloth. Okay, cotton cloth that will be wet. After a day, moong seeds sprout. After a day means after 6 to 7 hours, it will be sprout. So, children, add salt, lemon juice and spices to it. A tasty snack is ready. Okay, you can take gram seeds, gram भी लेकर के कर सकते हैं उसको. This is very tasty snack and healthy also. So, it is very easy na. Second, making lemonade. Mix sugar in water. Add lemon juice. Strain it. Strain, that means you have to strain with a strainer. Strainer, छन्नी जिसको कहते हैं, उसको से strain करना है. And after to that, your lemonade is ready, tasty, yummy, and it's also very healthy. It is very easy method na, lemonade. Third food, that is for you, making a sandwich. Spread some butter on 2 slices of bread. You have to take 2 slices of bread and spread butter on it. Cut tomato and cucumber into thin slices. Thin slices, that means पतले पतले slice में cucumber और tomatoes cut करने हैं. You can take help of your mother because of by the knife your fingers can be cut. Okay, so just take help to your mother. And after, third step is place the tomato and cucumber slices on a bread slice. Put the other bread slice over it. Place the tomato cucumbers here, and after to that place other bread slice over it. Your vegetable sandwich is ready. Fourth, it is making chocolate milk. Mix sugar in milk. Add cocoa powder to it. सबसे पहले आपको 1 glass milk लेना है, फिर उसमें sugar ऐड करना है. Then after, add cocoa powder. Mix it. Your milk chocolate is ready. Here, milk chocolate. This you can make easily by yourself without taking your mother's help, isn't it? So, children, your chapter is finished over here. We enjoyed a lot. Okay, बहुत मज़ा आया हम लोगों को. Me too, मुझे भी बहुत मज़ा आया. So now this is time to do the exercise. Tick the correct answer. First, we must wash fruits and vegetables before cutting. We must fruits and vegetables wash that before cutting. उसे कटिंग के पहले ही वॉश कर लेना चाहिए. Second, this food is eaten both raw and cooked. Which food item is both eaten by raw? कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं और पका कर के भी cooked पका कर के भी खा सकते हैं. Is it potato? No. Rice? No. It's radish. Radish, मूली. You can eat it both raw और cooked. दोनों तरह से खा सकते हैं. Third, this food is deep fried. Chapati? No. Puri? Yes, this is right answer. Puri. It is deep fried item. Rice? This is not, because of it is cooked by boiling and steaming. Fourth, flour is used to make chapatis. Okay, here is other options: sandwich, lemonade. No, this both is not. The right answer is chapati, roti. Okay. B, circle the odd ones. Give the reason for your answers. Apple, grapes, bananas, carrot. Which one is odd in this group? Yes, it is carrot, because of all other are fruits. Carrot is a vegetable. Second, puri, pakoras, rice and french fries. So, odd one is rice, because of all other are cooked by deep frying. Third, roasting, cooling, boiling, baking. Boiling, baking, roasting, these are our method of cooking. So, cooling is odd in this group. Fill in the blanks. Cooking kills the germs that may be present in raw food. Cooking से germs भी kill होते हैं in case it's present in raw food. Chapati is cooked by roasting. Third, we cook rice by boiling and steaming. Rice कैसे बनता है? Boiling और steaming method के through. Fourth, we cook dosas and parathas by shallow frying. Shallow frying, that is method will be held on tawas. ठीक है, इसमें ऑयल कम यूज़ किया जाता है. शैलो फ्राइंग. Cake is cooked by baking. Cake is cooked by baking. This will be in microwave ovens. D number, write the names of methods of cooking on dotted lines. Here is the things that are used in methods of cooking. You have to write the answer. Try to do it. First, it is which method? Yes, it is steaming. Okay, rest of the others write by your own self. E number, very short answer question. Name one kitchen utensil made of the following. Steel. Steel किचन यूटेंसिल ऐसा लिखना है जो इससे बना हुआ है. तो यू कैन राइट सम अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. आई हैव रिटन हियर पैन. यू कैन राइट ग्लास, स्पून, these all are plate, all are made with the steel. Plastic, sieve, channi. ठीक है. Then name the ways of cooking. Pulses. Pulses, dal. The way of cooking is boiling and steaming. Bread. The way of cooking bread is baking. Okay. So children, short answer questions and long answer questions answer I will give you in PDF form. You have to write down properly in your notebook and learn as well. Children, here is activity project. Also try to do this. Make a cucumber sandwich. Ask your mother to help you. Cucumber sandwich बनाना है आपको and take your mother's help. Second, make a list of 10 food items that are cooked at home or that you eat when you go to a restaurant. Children, you have to make a list of 10 food items. 10 food items के आपको लिस्ट बनाने हैं जो आपके होम में बनता है, लेकिन जब भी आप कभी रेस्टोरेंट जाते हो तो वो फूड आइटम्स आप ईट करते हो, रेस्टोरेंट में भी ईट करते हो. सो नेम द मेथड ऑफ कुकिंग ऑल्सो. जो भी फूड आइटम्स आप राइट डाउन करोगे उसका मेथड भी लिखोगे कि इन विच बाय विच मेथड इट इज़ कुक्ड, बाय द रोस्टिंग, बाय द बेकिंग. ओके, इन दिस मेथड्स यू हैव टू ऑल्सो राइट, जस्ट लाइक यू राइट केक this is made at home also, and when you go to restaurant or outside you can you are eating this type of things also. आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो. तो which method it's cooked by baking. ओके, तो बेकिंग लिखोगे आप. उसी तरह से और भी अदर आइटम्स जो आप बाहर खाते हो उसके नेम लिखने हैं और उसका मेथड भी लिखना है. विच अमंग ऑल द मेथड्स इज़ हेल्दीएस्ट वन. इसमें से कौन सा मेथड ऐसा है जो हेल्दीएस्ट है. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन ट्राई टू डू इट and you have to do this project in your notebook only. Okay, take care. Thank you.